morning, friends. This is Milind Mahale from Emerald Spiritual Services, Pune. Now, today we are going to discuss about the Mulang number 8 for marriage compatibility. What is Mulang number 8? Mulang number 8 means a person born on 8, 17, 26th of any month is called Mulang number 8 person. Mulang number 8 person is governed by the planet Saturn. Saturn is a very very strong planet. They are very dashing persons, and they are also very dominating persons. If the Mulang 8 is also supported by some good bhagyanka, then they will lead the country, state, or any organization. But in personal life, if 8 numbers, basically they are least interested in marriage. But not all the 8 numbers are least interested in marriage. 8 numbers, bhagyanka is supported by some good numbers, then they are also good husband or good wife. So we'll discuss in detail what numbers are suitable for the Mulang number 8 for the marriage compatibility. We'll go in detail. The first number is 1. The 1 number is governed by the planet Sun. 1 and 8 combination is a very poor combination. They are the enemy numbers, so their marital life will be very poor. So 8 number, please remember, try to avoid number 1 in your marital life or partnership. Next number is 2. 2 number is governed by the planet Moon. Moon and the Saturn combination is creating the Visha Yoga, which is a very poor combination. They are not suitable for each other. There is probability of getting divorce. So please avoid number 2. Next number is 3. Number 3 is governed by the planet Jupiter. Jupiter and Saturn, 8 numbers, combination is an average combination. They can sustain their life normally. Next number is 4. 4 number is governed by the planet Harshala, that is Uranus. The 4 is naturally affected to the Saturn, that is 8 numbers. The 4 and 8 also having the attraction each other, because 4 plus 4 getting 8. So 4 and 8, they are very, you will find a lot of love marriages between the 4 and the 8 persons, basically. But in life, in marriage life, they have to make some adjustments. Then their marital life will be excellent. Next number is 5. Number 5 is governed by the planet Mercury. The 5 and 8 combination is the best combination, because the 5 number is a very very calculative person. They are very they're very intelligent person. They are very very beautiful person. So they are attracted towards number 8, and 8 also supports 5. So 5 and 8 combination is the excellent combination. I can say that. So they will be happy if they get married. 5 and 8 combination. Next number is 6. 6 number is governed by the planet Venus. It's a very romantic person, and 8 also likes 6. 6 also like very having attraction towards 8. So 6 and 8 is also a good combination. So they will live a very happy married life. 8 is also taking care of 6. 6 is also getting involved in the law of 8. So 8 and 6 is a good combination. You can say that. Next number is 7. That is number governed by the planet Neptune. Neptune and 8, combination 8 and 7 combination is, you can say, average combination, because basically these two people, they are having very least interest in the marriage. 8 is also very least, and 7 is also least interest in the marriage. So their compatibility, you can see, average or below average, they can sustain, and they can maintain the life. Very very poor lifestyle will be there. So 8 and 7, okay, you can say that. Next number is 8. 8 and the 8 combination is the best combination, because they understand each other very good. So 8 and the 8 combination is the best combination, you can say that. Okay. Next number is 9. 9 is a number governed by the planet Mars. Mars, very aggressive planet, very fiery planet, and it is also, Saturn. So they are the enemy planets. So 8 and 9 marriage will be a disaster. So their combination will be poor combination. So 8 number should avoid 9, 7, 2 and 1. If they avoid these numbers, then their marital life will be okay and good. They can live and sustain the normal lifestyle. So this person, Saturn person, basically they are very, they want to live alone. They are very, very silent person, and they don't want to get involved in a group of friends and all these things. Basically, these people are very shy people, and to some extent, you can say that these people are might be on the top position, might be on the very low position, might be these might be. See, we can say number 8 persons are our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is number 8 person. So you can assume what is the importance of number 8. But Narendra Modi though has got married, but now it's single, so staying away from his wife. So this is the fatality of number 8. So 8 number basically should wear the colors like all dark shades should wear by the number 8, dark blue, and all combinations of blue, light blue, dark blue, this color will be suitable. Light blue, light black, black and green are suitable for the number 8 person. Thank you.